Hey, this is Lockpick video 3. I paid my local locksmith a quick visit the other week and he sold me a bunch of random Euro cylinders, quite cheap. This is the first one of them. It's a 5-pin MILA? Don't know how you pronounce that. There's the lock working with the key, and there it is locked up without. See if I can get it picked on camera in reasonable time as not to bore the hell out of anybody who may be watching. I'm using my Storm, can you see that? Storm 4D half diamond reach thing. I like these picks, they work. So I get straight in at the back and something sets there fairly quick. Oh, and something else does. Feeling for the binding pins. I need to get me a vise pretty soon to hold these. But it doesn't matter that much. You know what I'm doing. You can see what I'm doing. I'm just feeling around for the binding pins, and there will be some. There's the full set. I felt that one go real good. So we're nearly open now. Let's see if I can. And it's open. There we go. MILA 5-pin Euro. I'm just 180 it with the back of my pick in the keyway there. Can you see? Don't know. It's a 180 to go past that central point so the pins don't drop back into the thing. And it's locked again. MILA 5-pin Euro. Done.